Welcome to Reading with Mrs. Laundry.
National Geographic presents Dive, Dolphin by Shira Evans. Vocabulary tree. Dolphins. Where they live. Ocean, river. What they do. Dive, swim, hunt, play, leap, jump, breathe. What they have. Flipper, fin, tail. Dive, dolphin. There are many kinds of dolphins. Some have long beaks. Some have short beaks. These dolphins have stripes. This dolphin has spots. Some dolphins live in oceans. Others live in rivers. All dolphins have flippers, a fin, and a tail. Dolphins swim together. They work as a team to hunt fish. Dolphins like to play with things they find in the water. This dolphin plays with seaweed. They also like to leap and jump. Dolphins need to breathe. They come to the top of the water to get air. A dolphin gets air through its blowhole. Then it dives back down into the water. Dive, dolphin. Dolphin habitat map. Your turn. Match the word to the photo. Use your finger to make a line from the word to the photo. Play. Jump. Hunt. Breathe.
Thanks for reading with Mrs. Laundry. Like and subscribe for more.